Fix IPTV Smarters Pro authorization failed for above host error on Samsung Smart TV 2025. So hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. Let's just directly get onto the topic of this video. So there are multiple solutions for that. So first of all, you can verify login credentials. You need to double check that you have entered the correct username, password and server URL in the IPTV Smarters Pro settings, and ensure there are no typos or extra spaces in the login details. And the other method is you can adjust the server URL. If the credentials are correct, try modifying the server URL, remove any extra slashes, especially at the end of the URL. If the URL uses HTTPS, try switching to HTTP, as some servers may have compatibility issues. And the other method is you can clear cache and data, navigate to your Samsung TV settings, then go to the application or app section and find IPTV Smarters Pro and select it. Look for options like clear cache and clear data and use them. And note that clearing data will remove saved login details. And the other solution is you can check for IPTV provider issues. If the error persists, your IPTV provider servers might be experiencing issues or your subscription might be expired. You can contact IPTV provider to inquiry about the server status and subscription validity. They may also have specific instructions or recommended settings for IPTV Smarters Pro. And you can consider VPN, like if you are using a VPN, ensure it is configured correctly and not interfering with the connection to your IPTV server. And you have to try disabling the VPN temporarily to see if it resolves the issue, and by following these steps you should be able to troubleshoot and fix the authorization failed for above host error on IPTV Smarters Pro on your Samsung Smart TV. So hope you find this video helpful, and make sure to like, subscribe and comment down below. See you on the next one.